Welding is a critical industrial process, but it carries invisible risks that every professional must understand to stay safe. The intense heat generates toxic metal fumes, vapors, and gases that quickly enter the surrounding atmosphere. Pulmonary gases like ozone and nitrogen oxides can cause immediate and severe lung injury if inhaled without protection. Carbon monoxide is another silent threat, displacing oxygen in your bloodstream and leading to non-pulmonary systemic damage. Long-term exposure to particulate matter inhalation can lead to chronic conditions like siderosis, permanent scarring of the lung tissue. Beyond health risks, general safety hazards such as fire and explosions are constant dangers in any welding workshop. Never weld on closed containers. Residual vapors can ignite, leading to catastrophic pressure buildup and explosions. To mitigate these risks, proper facility ventilation and local exhaust systems like fume extraction arms are essential. Personal protective equipment is your final line of defense. This includes NIOS HX certified respirators and UV protective welding helmets. But management must ensure all workers are trained to recognize hazards and use safety equipment correctly. For oxyfuel welding, ensure red fuel and green oxygen hoses are correctly handled and cylinders are properly secured. Arc welding requires diligent inspection of cabling to prevent electrical shock and ensure stable performance. From laser to resistance welding, prioritizing safety today ensures a healthy and productive career tomorrow.